in Macomb Township, Michigan, installing a French drain system. Wanted to talk about why it's always so soft and hard to mow in between the houses. The Claypan that we have in Macomb Township doesn't let the water dissipate. Basically, it's always very soft. Why is it always very soft between the houses? Well, here's why. Look at the gutter run right there. That trough, look how far that trough runs before the next downspout. So there's thousands of gallons of water that come out of these downspouts. Now this is on both of the homes. We're on a clay pan, so this water is not going to dissipate in the subsoil. It's pitched, but it doesn't have a lot of pitch. Good bluegrass, real heavy, nice, thick turf. It'll prevent the water from running even on a slight slope. So what we're doing is we're picking up all this water because this is where the area just got so soft and it was just difficult for the homeowner to maintain. Now they have some privacy, so we went behind the arborvitaes here, the evergreen trees. This is going to be a maintenance-free system, as all our systems are. We're going to wrap this full of filter fabric and put the grass back on top. There's the storm drain. We tapped the storm drain basin. It's on the neighbors. They gave us the okay to come on their property and do this. For a French drain system done right the first time in Macomb Township, Michigan, give us a call.